So you may be asking yourself, how can analytics be used in supply chain management? Depending upon your background, this slide might be old news to you, but I find it is useful to describe supply chain analytics in the framework of descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive analytics. Now, descriptive analytics, the biggest and most important part of the pyramid, includes business analytics and diagnostic analytics of the supply chain. How many of my trucks arrived on time? How productive were my plants? How about my warehouses? How are these metrics trending? And are any of them worrisome? Next is predictive analytics. What's going to happen in my supply chain? How do we predict what is going to happen next? That includes things like sales forecasting, as well as forecasting costs of your supply chain inputs, perhaps using linear regression to help understand trends and the relationship between metrics. Certain types of supply chain simulation and statistical process control would also fall in this space for those of you in the manufacturing space. Top of the pyramid, which by volume should occupy the least amount of your time, is prescriptive analytics. What should I do with my supply chain? This includes things like supply chain network design, inventory optimization, manufacturing optimization, and supply chain simulation. Now, what's not on this image, but is fundamentally important, is that there needs to be a solid foundation of data management, data integrity, and data availability, because otherwise none of these activities are sustainable or repeatable, really.